Hey everyone, it's Lozz and Noofy. Again, not the name of our video of our channel. I just wanted to do a really quick intro. I know this looks really weird. I'm filming on my phone. I'm in my bedroom. Lozz is going into hospital tomorrow, so by the time I upload this, she may have already gone, but that's Tuesday. And I got her a surprise for hospital. It's something she really wanted. Let me get this humongous bag. Yes, it's huge. Anyway, I just wanted to do this intro because I'm going to drive over there now. I'm going to put it in the bag. She has no idea that this is happening. And then I'm going to film her opening it. And then I'll combine these videos together. And hopefully she will really love it. And by the time that I put these videos together, she'll hopefully be out of hospital. And we'll know how to do the next lots of treatment. So, yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys, and I am very excited. Okay, so stay tuned for part 2 of this video.
Thanks, Christina. How are you?
Hi, yeah, good. How are you?
What's happening? What are you doing here?
Clean your room.
I live here.
Surprise for you, but we're going to video you.
I'm eating gummy bears. That's embarrassing.
As long as you're not picking up M&Ms.
So we're all involved in this surprise. We're all in it.
What? What's happening? What is it? What?
It's my butt.
Versace. Say that right
Here, a video camera from the front.
Show me. Oh, what?
Wow. The box is so much better than the Louis boxes.
Isn't it? You tell YouTube that.
So, am I doing that? Mum, I'm doing an unboxing live, please. Cut that bit out, Christina.
Edit.
So this I'm doing an unboxing. I'm not sure what it is. I know it's Versace though.
And I even like the ribbon.
Key rings.
Yeah.
Use that ribbon.
Oh, like it's a proper elastic.
So, yeah, you go back on. You can redo a opening of the box again.
Hurry up. Oh, what?
It's the dressing gown.
You're kidding.
Oh my God.
Wait, you have to have the light behind you when
Where's
you're
the
filming.
belt?
You have to do
My God. Lauren.
Oh my God, Vicky.
Go and have a shower first. Oh, wow. And wrap it.
Oh.
Wow.
Look at it, eh?
Fit. This is the
Yeah.
thread.
Yeah.
I don't
So
know.
I asked, there's no men's or women's, they're just unisex.
Yeah.
Wrap it around.
Oh, this is on YouTube.
Everyone will just be laughing at
Should we
this.
like?
No, we don't.
How does this work? Wait a minute. Near that.
Here.
That would be
It's not.
that way.
Yay. Wow, Lauren.
Looks
You
good for a
have to
spoiled
take a
girl.
dressing gown tomorrow to hospital.
Yeah, that's why
They
we come
did say to bring one.
Just
Yeah, give that a go.
Well, I'm going to march
They're
up and
gonna
down
think
without the
this
hitch
is-
on the head.
They're going to think this is from DFO.
They're gonna
Until
from
they find
DFO.
out that it's real.
you need a cigar.
I don't need a cigar.
You
baby.
do.
Oh, Lauren, it's
Isn't
beautiful.
it ever?
Yeah.
Can
I
you
left
go,
their name printed on all of it.
go and
Yeah.
have a look in the mirror, Lol?
Mm.
The Chevelle mirror that's
That's
got
look
your
good.
clothes drying on it. Have a seat, Chris.
We don't want to go in there.
So your mum picked this up?
It's amazing.
And you've got your black pyjama pants that you can wear tomorrow.
Yeah, they're here. They're drying.
You have to come back out now. YouTube can't see you in your room.
They have to wear a helmet. So no one can come up
That
behind you,
is
hit you on the head and take it.
amazing.
It looks amazing.
Doesn't it?
Thank you, guys.
Wow.
I love it.
Big pockets, aren't they? Man, you put it.
Yes. Just a whole lot
No, there's
of
nothing in the
rolls.
pockets, Laura.
Yeah.
Oh,
No, but they are nice.
oh wow.
It's so much better than it looks online.
Warm?
The feel of it is
Actually,
nice.
I can see the Versace through it more than I would. You know, online when you look at the picture, it just looks black
Yeah, it does.
with this bit, but you can actually see it all.
You can see it's so. Oh,
Once your pink
It's so
t-shirt's
comfortable.
not
Is it
showing.
soft?
it is soft. It's very comfortable. It's soft. It looks so much better than it does online. I'm in love with it.
What's the material? What's that made of?
Silk.
This is
Oh,
kind of
that's-
Oh,
probably like toweling sort of
Yeah,
material.
terry towel.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This is silk,
That's silk.
apparently.
well, I've got goosebumps. Amazing. You look amazing, Lol. Spin around again. One more time. Yay!
Make it 12.
Well
But,
done.
Make it 12. Okay, sit down now.
Now say like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching this unboxing that I didn't know was happening. Don't forget to like and subscribe down the bottom, thumbs up. Press the little notification to get uploads. Lozz and NOOOO. Bye.
Elle, can you stop chuckling? Because
Here's the
light.
crowd, extra.
Stop chuckling, Al.